Texas Quality Plumbing.
Hi, my name is Austin. I'm with Texas Quality Plumbing. We're going to talk about the 5 reasons why you should upgrade to a tankless water heater. First reason is due to the energy efficiency that comes with a tankless water heater. 1 is that you're saving on your water bill. 2, you're saving on your gas bill. You're not using gas or water 24/7 like you are on a normal tank unit. Reason number 2 is due to the longer lifespans with these tankless units. The biggest reason is the tankless units actually have better materials, better technology. You can actually go in and change the settings whenever you wanted to. They have owner manuals that you can look at. They're very efficient on that end. Reason number 3 is due to the greater hot water output. On a tankless unit, you actually have hot water on demand. So unlike the actual tank units, you have like a 40 or 50 gallon, where if you fill up your bathtub with hot water, you're using up almost the whole tank unit lifespan, which is 40 to 50. While on a tankless unit, you can fill up your bathtub and still have hot water to all the other fixtures. Reason number 4 is due to the enhanced safety features. Unlike the actual tank unit, a tankless unit actually has a lot more efficiency of keeping itself from actually messing up. And then when it does have safety issues, it has thermal expansion and output areas where it actually cuts off itself. Reason number 5 is due to that you always have hot water available whenever you need it, and not whenever the actual unit is just saying, hey, I don't have hot water, or I have hot water. If you're interested in upgrading to a tankless water heater, you can contact us professionals at Texas Quality Plumbing. On the units that we offer, you have a 1-year labor warranty material through us, through Texas Quality Plumbing, and then you have a 5-year and a 15-year warranty with the actual brand. You can contact the professionals here at Texas Quality Plumbing for any of your tankless water heater needs. We offer tankless flush, tankless repairs, installations, and also user guides with y'all.